Welcome to the Young Trombone page. This is not necessarily for young people or kids, but this is for anyone who is just getting started out working with the trombone. Alright, so here we are with number 11, and this is a duet. Two parts here. Here we go with part A. It's the top part. Parts A and B should be played at the same time. Hard to do by yourself, but I'm going to give it a try. 2, 3. All right, here's part B. Thank you for checking out my trombone tutorial page. I appreciate it and look forward to seeing you again next time.